Let's see. Okay, we got 20 minutes, so we're gonna have to make this pretty quick. All right, y'all. So, first thing first, I left my wallet out in the truck, and I've been in the house for like 30 minutes or to an hour. All right, guys. So, haven't made a video in about a week or two because I did a double upload. So, can you guys blame me? I mean, I did a double upload for you guys. Okay. So, anyways, let's talk about a few things. The dually transmission went out, number one. I thought it went out anyways. It wouldn't go into gear. It wouldn't go in first. First, it will not go in at all still. Right now, I can start it up, and it'll go in first gear. I mean, no, it'll go in every gear. So, lo and behold, I figured, hey, you know, it's still messed up, so I'm going to go ahead and get me another transmission. Did that. Got it. Tried to convert the dually from a 4-speed to a turbo 400 automatic. Now, I know you guys are going to be saying, well, why would you convert? Well, this is the reason. This is the reason why I convert. Because I just picked up everything I need to convert it to an automatic. Right here. That's the automatic tilt steering to go in the dually. Those are the bolts to the transmission and the bell housing. And those are the ramps, and that is the drive shaft. The dually has a 2-piece drive shaft on there for the auto or for the manual, but it goes through all the gears now, so I'm probably gonna see how much they give me for it with the belt housing, clutch, and all of that little crap. I mean, all that stuff's brand new. I could take it all back if I wanted to, but yeah. So what do you guys think? Automatic or manual? Everybody has their preference. I really don't care too much, but automatic probably be the best for me. I mean, I don't mind manual at all whatsoever. I mean, manual is great, but with that being said, automatic thumbnail. Nah, I don't even think I make thumbnails anymore. Maybe I should make a thumbnail. But yeah. So, automatic or manual? The only difference is that I might keep the SM465. If you think I should keep the SM465, drop a comment. Or if you think I should go, no. If you think I should go, if you think I should go automatic, drop a comment. If you think I should go, stay with what I got, and drop another comment that says, put automatic or manual. Manual or automatic? I don't know, but I got everything to switch it, so it's in the air. I lost one transmission already because they started rebuilding it before I can tell them no, and I decided to let that transmission go. I bought it for like $100. It was a short tail 400 turbo 400, but I let that one go. I don't like that place. So, but yeah, so there's the dually in the background right there. I think that'd be a perfect picture. Or automatic or manual. You guys decide. But I already got my mind made up. So if you can leave a guess. Alright, so motor. Or I'm going to pull the motor out of this truck and put in the dually and rebuild the dually motor and put more power to it. Because this truck is more, not like a work truck anymore. I mean, this is more like a luxurious vehicle. Anyways, one of those things, because it don't really matter to me because I like this truck and I like that truck. I mean, that's why I got that truck and I got this truck. Oh, now, what's your thoughts on a diesel diesel generator welder? It's a Miller 225 Bobcat and it's a diesel. What's your guys' thoughts on that? They say all it needs is a starter, oil pan, and a start switch. So, any, you know, let me know what you think, because I'm thinking about buying it. They want $1,000 for it, but I don't know. I need to get another generator anyway for this truck. So, I mean, it's either get a Harbor Freight cheap generator with a stick welder I got, or get a generator and put it on the back of here. I mean, it'd probably be better if it was gas, but I mean, if it's diesel. Because I tried to buy one from my 9-to-5 job, but they don't want to give it up. I've been asking and asking, it's been sitting. I mean, I know what's wrong with that one. This one is kind of up in the air, but the guy said it ran, you know, for a while. But it sat for a year or so. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure you had to take everything apart, clean everything. Or you might not have to do none of that, because I don't know. I don't know how diesel works. I know it has glow plugs. So I'll probably, if I did get it, I'll run through it. And, you know, I don't know nothing about diesel. So that'd be something I have to print out and try to figure out. And I mean, run through it, put new decals on it. You know, kind of like what I did to that one. I didn't rebuild that one because that one ran. I'm going to let it run until it craps out, and then I'll work on it. So I've been lucky so far because we got one generator welder. Now we got another truck right here that needs a generator welder. And then we got another thing. Well, we ain't talking about that. Well, actually, I wouldn't even put the welder on here. I'll probably put that on. That thing's been retired for a year or so. I'm gonna put that sucker back on the road. Probably do some fresh paint. Oh God, that was the worst. Let me tell you guys. All right, this is kind of like just a talk story time. All right, let me tell you guys. You see that darn bed cover thing right there, or whatever you call that thing? That was the worst thing I have ever put on a trailer. Good God. Like, all right, let me tell you a funny story. Have you ever tried to put gas with a welder in there? That is like the most pain in the butt. I had to climb in there just to put the gas. I had to have my helper pass me the gas hose through the front so I can put gas in the welder. That was such a pain in the butt. I mean, it kept everything dry, but that was a pain in the butt. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that cover off, all the way off completely. I mean, everything is going to be exposed like a toolbox, generator, have it covered up. But, yeah, that was a hefty pain in the butt. I mean, it's not efficient at all. It's more easier to put it in my truck bed and reach in here and grab stuff out of my truck bed. You know what I'm saying? So it's more efficient. That I had to climb in there or put everything in boxes to the back so I can get to it easy. It was more of a pain in the butt. But I might put that back on the road and just take the camper shell off. So I mean, what you guys think about that? Welder generator on that. Remove the camper shell. Welder and a generator, or welder generator on this diesel, or put a diesel on that thing over there. Or, well, I mean, that's got a welder already on it, so that's set. I'm gonna connect the battery from the dually to the generator, so that way the battery stay charges. So I have two batteries on the dually, so it'll stay charged. And this truck right here, possibly a generator and a welder, or a welder and generator combo. And I don't really like trailer pulling. I mean, I don't mind it. I did it for the first couple of years of my business. Or generator on that, and toolboxes and stuff. And I don't know, I might end up selling it, fixing it. See, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna get a welder and fix it up and sell it, like rebuild the whole thing from ground. The one at work I can get about $5 grand off of, but they won't sell it to me, so that's a no-go, unfortunately. I'm kind of sad about that because I really wanted it. It's the same as the one that's on there, but it's a Ranger 8. That's a Ranger 10,000. I think I hooked different things up to the other one. I don't know, but so I don't like Miller, but I mean the price. What do you guys think? You think I should get it? I mean, for the price, it's not bad. I don't know nothing about diesel, so I might have to talk to a buddy in a minute. Probably gonna call him up, and see what he get his opinion on it. But I don't know. I don't know nothing about diesel, so I mean, I don't know. Unless I take the motor off and put a Predator motor on there, that might spice it up a little bit. Spice it up. I don't know, but leave y'all. All right, so like I was saying, okay, automatic or 4-speed. I got parts for all. I went to my parts man that had a truck. So I bought stuff. So I got transmission parts and I got everything for it to switch that over or keep it the same. Let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know if I should put a generator welder on here or just a generator and a stick welder or something like that. If I get a generator, it's gonna be like 9,000. It's gonna be a cheap generator, but it's gonna be like the higher expensive one that I can get. So like 9,000 running watts. Generator and a welder. Generator and a welder, or diesel generator / welder combo. Just let me know down in the comments. I mean, I'm still stuck on automatic or manual. Got the transmission, drove it. Transmission's got originally 80,000 miles on it, so it's not bad. That transmission's got well over 44 something years plus mileage on there, so I don't know what the heck that is. So it lasted. I mean, I might keep it, rebuild it, and put it in something else. Thinking about buying another truck. We'll talk about that soon. That's an up and coming video. I can get both trucks, parts truck and a regular truck, for 1,000, and then it'd be like a '69 with a straight 6 and a 4-speed transmission like that's got. So I could rebuild that transmission, put that transmission in that truck, and make that into a work truck. It's a C20. So wow, if I get that, I'll have a C10, a C20. So I have a C10, a C20, and a C30, which is that over there. So C30, C20, or 10, and a C20. I have all 3 trucks. Then all I need is an S10 or S15. Yeah, S10 and then S15. But yeah, so let me know. I'm thinking about considering this other truck, but I gotta get the steering column in there. And oh, did I just? Oh man, I think I just told the secret. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think I should do. I don't sound like I'm about to do nothing. But alright, y'all take it easy. Y'all have a good one. This has been the Welding Machine. Thank you, Weld family, for checking out my videos. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you're new. Check out my videos on how to start a welding business. That seems to be popular. Check out my plasma cutting video. Check out all my videos. I mean, just go through them. And I mean, if it helps you out, leave a like. If it don't, then I mean, go to the next video. And I'll give you my best honest advice that I can do for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell for every time I post. Y'all have a good one. This has been the Welding Machine, and you guys keep working hard and believe in what you can do, because you can achieve it. You guys have a good one.